Hi everyone, this is Gregor and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Transifex. In this video I'm going to show you how you can estimate translation and post-editing costs by using your project's translation memory leverage report. A quick refresher on translation memory. Translation memory is a database of previously completed translations. Each time a translation is submitted, it's saved to this database. In the future, if a phrase similar to the original source appears, the translation is presented to the translator as a suggestion. In this video, we'll be able to see the precise amount of translation memory our project can use before starting any translation work. You'll then have a clear idea of the amount of new work needed and can plan your budget more accurately. I've attached a sample zip file and a link to a post if you like to follow along with this simple example. Or you can go ahead and try it on one of your ongoing projects in Transifex. I'm here in my dashboard and I can see the resources for my project. We've got a previously translated text file here with its translations already saved in our translation memory. I'm going to click on the untranslated file and then click on the target language, in this case French. You're going to notice Transifex already starts calculating the TM leverage in the pop-up. For a larger and more complex project, you want to generate a detailed report by either clicking here or by going to your reports in the navigation bar and then exporting your TM leverage. I'll choose my project, the resource, the target language, and if I would like to estimate the cost for translating only tagged strings, I can do that by filtering the tag here. This comes in handy if you have last minute or urgent additions to your files and you'd like to quickly get an estimate. I'll generate my report and then you'll receive it in your inbox within a couple of minutes. The report, we can see that we have almost 48% of our words at 100% match in our translation memory, almost 20% at 95 to 99, and the rest are scattered between 75 to 94 and under 59%. This means that almost half of your resource does not need to be translated from scratch and can be easily autofilled by the TM autofill with minimal editing. You can now safely calculate how many new words we need translated by multiplying the number of words left by your vendor rate. This obviously is a gross oversimplification for demonstration purposes, but the workflow can be used for larger and more complex projects. If we assume the English to French translation rate is around 10 cents a word, and we have 134 words that need to be translated from scratch, we'll estimate a budget of $13.4. Now suppose your workflow includes translating a substantial amount of content via machine translation. In that case, it's always best practice to get the content reviewed by human translators, which we call post-editing, before publishing them live. Before sending out your content to your reviewers, you can also run an edit leverage report to estimate just how much TM the reviewers will have at their disposal to get the work done. Now I've machine translated our text file here and left them unreviewed. I'm going to go to my reports again, but this time I'm going to choose to generate an edit leverage report from the drop-down menu. So I'll choose my project, I'll choose my resource and my target language and click on Edit Leverage Report. Once I'm in my Edit Leverage Report, I can see that I have about 50% of the machine translated content having matches of about 75% and above. This will give you an idea on just how much reviewing your team is going to do, and you can plan your budget accordingly. That's about it for a basic workflow on how you can estimate pre-translation and post-editing costs using TM leverage reports in Transifex. See you next time.